Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. Hope you're well, everybody. I am, and I'm gonna show you how to play an old good song here from Maroon 5. It's called Sugar. Alright, so you know about this song. They move around in this music video and visit different weddings and play for people that are already happier than ever. What a fantastic job they have, Maroon 5. So let's take a look at this song Sugar. So it's very easy to play this, guys. We have a capo set on the first fret, and with that we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So the capo is there on the first fret to first have easiest chords possible, and then also to match up with the sound. So if you want to do that, then put the capo on first and let's do the chords together. We're gonna start with F, okay? So that's a bar chord. So you play the bar on the first fret, and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. That's the F. Next chord is A minor. All right, so there you have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor as the third chord. And you're gonna play open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord will be C. And it goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so we have this chord progression through the entire song: F, A minor, D minor, and C. And if you listen carefully there in the introduction of the tutorial, I showed you 4 rounds of this chord progression. The first 2 rounds was with one version of strumming, and that is more with the strumming based emphasized style. And the second one is more on the rhythm. So I played 2 rounds with the one style and the second last 2 rounds with the different other strumming styles. So we're gonna look at both of these. So that is pretty much what we're gonna do now. We're gonna learn it. So start with the F, that's the first chord. The first strumming style is down, up, clap. Okay, so down, up, a pause, and then a clap. It's pretty easy. So down, up, clap. Down, up, clap. All right, so you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. With the chord progression F, A minor, D minor, C, it goes like this. Alright, so there you have the first style. So the second style now is down, up, clap. So imagine you switch out the final down, their second or the last down in this first strumming pattern we learned, and replace that with a clap. Then everything else follows there in the same way. So it will be down, up, pause, and a clap. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap, like this. Alright, so again, 1 string round per chord, F, A minor, D minor, C, couple rounds goes like this. So on. All right, and for myself, I prefer this last strumming. That is what I would play if I would play this song. But anyway, both are right. It's just a different how we take and see on it. So both works as well as the other. So anyway, that is the strumming. Now we have a bridge part about 2 minutes and 50 seconds into the song. And you're gonna still keep on with the same chord progression. Now you just play one down per chord. So no beat or strumming or so, just with big pauses in between. And you do that for 2 chord progression rounds. Like this. And then you just continue with the style you prefer. Either it's down, up, clap, or down, up, clap, up, down. So. Or you can mix it up. It's up to you guys. Anyway, Maroon 5, sure, that's how you handle it. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, then please support me on Growing Guitar. Give me a like on this one. Appreciate that, guys. So thank you and play tuned.